for Just Nailed It. We are going to be playing with some Modern watercolors today. We have got, let me put my glasses on, we have got the Pearl Metallic Red. And that is so pretty. So pretty. And the Golden Blue Sparkle Diamond Watercolor Jelly. Let me give this one a good shake. I think I just went to sleep on me. Oh, there we go. See how sparkling golden that is? I've taken 2 nails. I've kind of swatched and played with them. I want more of the blue, because what I'm doing is taking these stickers from, take the package up, brcnailstipsxpieces.com. She's closing her shop this month, she says. Let's go and give her some support, buy out her stock. She is slashing prices, lowering them. So go use my code SherieBaby10, SHEREE. Again, SHEREE Baby 10. So we're going to use these stickers on top of the watercolor. So I want to start the watercolor now. I wasn't going to show you the stickers yet. I was just going to choose a watercolor and then let this dry. Slash. Oh, that's a lot. Slash. And then, we come back and show you the stickers. I don't want a lot of red, so I want my brush off really well. I'm going to put any on that yellow. So we're going to have one nail with no red. I should have left another one off. So here's my watercolor. These, again, they are watercolor, which means they have to air dry. But they are beautiful. They still are available on shemodern.com. You can use my code at any given time, Nailedit67, to save yourself 10% off. There is a sparkle to them. There is the golden blue and the pearl. The pearl, where'd you go, pearl? I love these. There is the metal ball inside of the watercolors that have the additives to them. Excuse me, I got itch. These are super pretty. She's got the regular opaque, she's got the jelly, she's got the pearls, the metallics. She's got a lot of different watercolors. So we're going to set these aside, let those dry. Here is Brandy's social media card, her business card. She got her social media platforms here. brcnailstipsxpieces.com. You want to screenshot this? I don't know how close I can bring you. I'm searching out a mirror program to put on my tablet. My son found one for me, but I haven't checked it out yet. I don't know when I'm in frame. Here is this again. IG, TikTok, and Facebook. Check her out on her TikTok, on her social media platform. Subscribe, follow, subscribe, and follow her. And again, here are our stickers that we are using. This one's like a lady. We got a butterfly. I'm definitely using the butterfly ones. And there's the lady. It's a fern palm, butterfly. I don't know what this one is here. This one is sideways. Where is my... Okay, here they are. I get my tweezers out. This one's a flower. I like that one. I like that one a lot. That's what we're going to do. We just have to wait for these to dry. This one we can go ahead and do because this is already dry. What should we put there? What to do? What to do? I really want to use the lady. I can put her there. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. Here we go. Here we go. There's the figure without the glove. How do you think I'm looking? Not me, I shouldn't have said it that way. How do you think they look with the watercolor background? And the gold? What do you think? Huh. That's what we're doing. Think this nail is dry? I think they're all dry. They are dry, Batman. They are dry. They are so pretty though, so pretty. I'm loving these stickers. Maybe I may leave this one bare. Again, these products are, ouch. You know what I'm saying, ouch, I didn't even touch myself. Good Lord. Head on over to brcnailstipsxpieces.com. She has got kawaii charms, she has got charms, she's got Christian, she's got gothic, she's got a lot of beautiful items. Oh God, did I take anything else out? I didn't. Let me scoot this aside just a hot second. Let me put this away, you can't see it stuff yet. She's got a lot of beautiful little, I don't have my trays out and ready, but she's got a lot of beautiful items. She's got kawaii Christmas. She's got the itty bitty little charms. These are sold as one group package, this right here. Sorry if I'm not afraid, I'm very sorry. These are, God, I don't remember what these are. Somebody knows what they are, try them out in the comments. And then the spiders. There's these. These were the coffin spiders, I believe. Or let me see. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. And these. Oh god, these were the oh my god, what were they? I call them Barbie heads, but they're technically not. These are all marked down. And these stickers, I think these are so super cool. She's got designer stickers off the wazoo. I'm not sure if she sent these out of her personal stash or if these are on the website. Sorry if I'm going fast. I wanted to use these, but I don't know. I didn't really want to use. Should have used them. Should have used them. Should have used them. Where are we? Right here. Let me use the other lady. I think this is the lady. Oh, this one broke. Shoot. That's just the first palm thing at it. Let's see if I can get the one down here. I got it. I got it. Oh, you're coughing a lot. You're coughing. How does that look? I think it looks pretty good. Oh, what were these ones? Oh, I forgot about these. So I think that is it. I'm going to leave that nail blank. I love how that turned out with the watercolors. That was the blue golden sparkle diamond watercolor jelly. That is so pretty. And here are the stickers again that I used. This one I ruined. I broke it right there. I broke it. Here is my mani for today. I think that looks kind of cool. We're going to top coat now with my top coat. It's a glossy top coat. I go white. True, no white top coat. No white glossy top coat. I'm all about the shine. All about the shine. The more they shine, the better I like them. All about the shine. Look at this. I love the pattern of this. I think it looks really pretty. Really, really pretty. Gotta make sure my nail is covered. I'm right at the end of my bottle here. Make sure my nail is covered. Here we go. Here is Randy's card. Here on the desk. We're gonna pop these babies in the lamp for 60. I think these are really pretty. Alright. Here we go. Fresh out of the lamp. I think these are super cute. I'm loving the blue and the red behind the gold stickers. I think that shows great contrast. With the gold, I think that is super cute. I love it. I totally love it. I think it's really cute. Here's Brady's card. I wanted to leave this so you could see it again in case you wanted to do a screenshot it. Check her out on other social media platforms. Her email, Instagram, YouTube. Right here is TikTok and Facebook. And again, the manicure. Take a gander, ladies and gents. I think it's kind of cool. I really do. I think it's really cool looking. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my mani for today. I think it looks really cool. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Then we get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.